Hi friends, this is Akram. Welcome to my YouTube channel Machine Learning and Deep Learning using Python. Here we are going to learn unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. In the previous video, we have learned about supervised learning. Now continuing to the session unsupervised learning. Here in this type of machine learning, we do not have the labels available for our samples. Here the task of the machine is to group and identify information according to similarities, patterns and differences without any prior training of data. Consider that you have not seen these types of fruit before. So here we have unlabeled data. That is, we do not know the label of the fruit. Rather, we categorize them on the basis of patterns observed on the basis of different attributes like color, shape, size, etc. Here we have the example. In this example, you can see the input data is as like apples, uh, mangoes, and some strawberries. So here, how in this unsupervised learning, we don't have output data. We need to find out the output from the input data. So here the bunch of fruits available as a input data from which it will find out the similarities like color, shape, size, etc. and it will train the model and it make as a clusters. It make like a groups. It make all the items, all the fruits like as a groups. These belongs to apple group. These belongs to some mango group. These belong to some strawberry group. Like this is the output which was given by the unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we have two types. One is clustering and one is association rules. In unsupervised machine learning, only inputs are known, no output. Model get trained to find existing patterns in the data, to know more about hidden gems, information and patterns. Coming to clustering, discovering inherent categories in the data to group. Coming to association rules, discovering rules that describe data and associations between them for recommendations. Now, we are going to learn about reinforcement learning. What is this reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is an area of machine learning. It is about taking suitable action to maximize reward in a particular situation. It is employed by various software and machines to find the best possible behavior or path it should take in a specific situation. Reinforcement learning differs from the supervised learning in a way that in supervised learning the training data has the answer key with it. So the model is trained with the correct answer itself. Whereas in reinforcement learning there is no answer but the reinforcement learning agent decides what to do to perform the given task in the absence of a training data set. It is bound to learn from its experience. We can see this reinforcement learning in example in a good way. Here you can see one example. The problem is as follows. We have an agent, here we have the agent and here we have the reward. Reward is the diamond with many hurdles in between. Hurdles are nothing but these are fires. Fire is nothing but hurdles. The agent is supposed to find the best possible path to reach the reward. The following problem explains the problem more easily. The uh, agent want to catch this reward without going to any without going to any problems. So here what the agent is going to do from the above image, it is like agent is robot and a reward is a diamond and fire. The goal of the robot is to get the reward that is the diamond and avoid the hurdles that are fire. The robot learns by trying all the possible paths and then choosing the path which gives him the reward with the least hurdles. Each right step will give the robot a reward and each wrong step will subtract the reward of the robot. The total reward will be calculated when it reaches the final reward that is the diamond. This is all about the reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is used in artificial intelligence. Thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and click on bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.